Hello and welcome to a Fly With Me flight report on board Singapore Airlines in the economy class cabin from Kuala Lumpur to Singapore. The check-in process, including the queue, was a breeze except for a mini heart attack when the check-in agent requested for my travel insurance, which I clarified to be not necessary for my destination. Subsequently, my boarding passes were issued and I was good to go. My flight departs from the main terminal at KLIA with an approximate flight time of just under an hour. There was a slight delay due to the late arrival of the aircraft. Nevertheless, I was welcomed aboard by the warm and friendly cabin crew upon boarding my Virgin flight on the Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft.
Hi, good morning. Thank you very much. Good morning.
Good morning everyone, your captain from the flight deck. I'm Nelson Wong, and together with me in the flight deck is Senior First Officer Yivan. We would like to welcome all of you on flight test Q1024 for Singapore. Flight time to Singapore will take us 45 minutes this morning. Your senior students in charge in the cabin is...
The event of this aircraft may differ from that of other aircraft. Please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on the journey through Singapore.
Legroom was decent on this short hop, and it was nice to see that Wi-Fi is available on this aircraft, though I did not explore it due to the flight duration. A special mention to the adjustable headrest in economy, as this can be a luxury these days even on full service carriers. After takeoff, beverage including hot drinks were offered, and I went for an apple juice and a cup of tea. I managed to explore the in-flight entertainment system a little, which seemed easy to maneuver and pretty responsive. I particularly enjoyed the flight map feature, which was very interactive, and I got to learn about population sizes of different cities. In a blink of an eye, we descended and landed into Singapore with the aircraft parked at Terminal 2 at Changi Airport. Overall, it was a great flight despite the short journey with an amazing set of crew on board. I look forward to fully experience the hard product on this aircraft type on a longer flight down the road.
Thank you, bye-bye. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.